Well, hey guys and welcome. As you can see here, I've got a new document open. And first thing we're going to do is hit Command or Control I on our keyboard and change the color to black. Now let's create a new layer down here. And let's grab our pen tool by hitting P on the keyboard. And now we're just going to draw in a nice and curvy path, which will turn out to be our brush head in the end. So just drag out these points here and make them nice and curvy. Now let's select our brush tool by hitting B on the keyboard. And let's go up to our brush settings and let's make it a hard brush. And we're going to make it about 5 pixels. Let's go back to our pen tool here by hitting P on the keyboard. And let's stroke our path by right clicking the path and selecting stroke path. Make sure brush is selected here and turn off simulate pressure. Hit OK. Now we can right click our path again and select delete path. Now we're going to select our stroke here, so let's hold Command on our keyboard and click on our layer here. Now we can go up here to Edit and down to Define Brush Preset. It's going to save it as Sample Brush 8 for me. Hit OK once you're done. And as you can see here, we've got our new brush head. Now we can deselect our selection there by hitting Command D on the keyboard. Then we can actually delete that layer and make a new one. Now we're going to adjust some of the brush settings for this brush. So let's go up to Window and down to brush settings. Now in spacing here, we're going to turn it down to about 3. Let's hit shape dynamics here, and then we're going to go and turn control fade on and set it to 300 in here. Now you can select a color in your foreground. I'm going to choose red for now, and I'm going to paint my brush on. Now I'm going to change colors here. I'm going to go dark blue, and I'm going to paint the other side of my image. And there you go, we've created our brush strokes. Now obviously there's so many more different combinations you can use or do depending on what shape you create in your brush stroke. There's endless possibilities. So play around with it and have some fun with it and keep creating. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you in the next one.